Welcome to the second phase of our business model innovation process, the design phase. In this phase, we take our understandings that we've built up over the last 3 weeks and convert them into designs of how we may successfully add value through a new business model. We begin by identifying who, beyond your group, may be able to help us with the design and implementation of a new business model. These people will become your co-innovation network. Some people you may only speak to once. Some may want to link you to their ongoing initiatives, while others may become your future core group members. This network is created to help you source ideas, flag up critical problems, validate your understandings of the problem, and critically help validate your proposed solutions. Start by reflecting on your stakeholder analysis from last week and considering who you would like to contact and why. The reason for choosing a specific stakeholder group or person may depend on the characteristics of your group or the challenge itself. For example, do you need specific knowledge from the outside because no group member currently has sufficient experience in the field? Or is a specific stakeholder crucial for solving the issue, such as the farmers because the soil is owned by them and depends on their practices? The first important use of this co-innovation network is to validate your current understanding of the landscape degradation problem. Ask yourself who may offer insight into how the socio-ecological system currently works, and also to answer who are the important stakeholders involved. We want to check that our interpretation is accurate as to avoid costly and time-consuming mistakes in our business model. Based on the feedback from stakeholders, we may have to modify our system and stakeholder analyses. For instance, we may discover that we have not identified that the reason farmers are mainly increasing the amount of cattle on the peatlands is because the milk distributors are paying too low prices. As a result, we may add this interaction to our systems map and milk distributors as important stakeholders within our stakeholder analysis. Once you've agreed as a group on the first people to contact, the next step is to reach out and get connected. Try to talk to many different people to validate your assumptions. Gather further information as well as brainstorm first business ideas. Prepare specific questions before approaching the persons and clearly have the goal of the conversation in mind. What parts of your understandings are you most currently unsure of? What resources are you missing as a group? Do they just want to ask their opinion, or would you potentially like to invite them to participate further in your process? When you meet someone, ask them who else you think you should contact. When contacting this person, be sure to mention the referral to help gain access. Be aware that some stakeholders may ask for something in return for their participation. Consider offering them your final report, or promise to keep them updated on the progression of your new business idea. So go out there and talk to as many people as possible and start validating your assumptions and building a co-innovation network.